This one. It's going up?
Yep.
Yeah, which one?
2. Thank you very much. Oh, you're in the penthouse.
I'm just riding the elevator.
Have a good night.
You too. We'll switch on 4. I gotta make this quick. Do cab, send you off. 'Cause I'm not gonna use this one down. We're gonna take this one down. We'll try to get a round trip on this one. I'll let you guys hear how loud the system is. These aren't that loud. These don't seem that loud, actually. There's a smoke for Ethan. There's some of your fire alarms. No brand on these, but I do assume that these, I don't know. I don't know what brand these are. Oh, we're stopping. On 2. Down?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
You have a good one. Alright, hopefully non-stop right up. High escalators, they're probably gonna have to tell me, are these muffled now? I'm gonna do the courtyard right after this, but I gotta make this quick. I'm running on a tight time right now. Interesting indicator, I haven't seen one like that before. Always might have put this in, but I don't know. This is fairly newish, like decade maybe. Okay, I got my thumbnail. JL lanterns, of course. There it goes, and that's it. Oh, that's it.